Hey guys, today I will show you how to turn on dark mode in Outlook. So you can see this is not a dark mode. So today I'm going to deep dive how to turn on dark mode in Outlook. So you can see over here, guys. Just go to view section. Yeah, just tap on it. And now, guys, from here you can see the view settings. Just tap on it. Now from the view settings, guys, just try to find here. The come to the general left side, and after that select appearance, and you can here you go. So currently it's by default selected use system settings. Now we are going to turn on dark mode. So once you turn on dark mode, just go and hit on the save. So now you can see that we have successfully turned on dark mode in Microsoft Outlook. So that's all, guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.